Hey guys, this is Shubham from TechPP and we are live from the Mobile World Congress where Asus has launched a bunch of phones, one of which is the ZenFone 5. Let's have a closer look. Coming up next on techpp.com. The first obvious thing you will notice about the ZenFone 5 is that it's heavily inspired from the Apple iPhone X. You have the notch on the front, rounded corners, and even a vertically aligned rear camera setup. Speaking of the front, it's largely dominated by a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus screen with 500 nits brightness. The phone is made out entirely of glass except for the aluminum frame. Despite that, the phone is relatively handy and lightweight. The phone is powered by a Snapdragon 636 quad-core processor, 4 or 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, and a 3300 mAh battery. It comes preloaded with Android Oreo and Asus's custom Zen UI 5.0 skin on top. In addition to a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, you can also unlock ZenFone 5 with your face, although we weren't able to get it to work, probably because it was running on a beta software. There's a primary Sony IMX363 12-megapixel camera paired with the 8-megapixel sensor that has double the field of view. The 12-megapixel lens also features OIS and EIS, which should help you click better pictures in dimly lit scenarios and record more stable clips. There's also a 5G variant, which is mostly the same as the ZenFone 5, but comes with a Snapdragon 845 processor instead of 636. A lot of AI stuff is being marketed on this phone, but we won't get to that now. So that was it for this quick video. Do subscribe for more MWC coverage and don't forget to participate in the Mimix 2 giveaway. Until the next time, may the tech be with you.